I've cried in rooms nobody knew, but smiled in public, hear what I was going through. Had one dress, one pair of shoes, same roads every day, still paying dues. I had empty kitchen, but I still gave grace. I sold little bottles to put food on my plate. Rain kept pouring, I got used to the storms. Life made me cold, pain made me warm. They laughed at me when I was down, now they act surprised at my resilience. The same ones clapping when I made my way were the same ones silent when I had nothing. I've learned real quick, love got a price. Smiles can lie and hearts turn ice. I trusted friends, they switched so fast. Now I move careful to protect my path. I've been through enough, I only grew tougher. I fought through the fire, now I'm growing stronger. From nothing to something, I carry my shame. I danced in the storm, I've learned to love the rain. I've been through enough, I won't break easy. People say they love you, then leave so easy. I know what it feels, I like to be alone. Now I build my peace to protect my humanity. Protect my humanity. Funny how they love you when the lights turned on, but when you walk away, suddenly you're no one. When I stayed quiet, I was easy to blame. The moment I chose me, now I'm the one changed. I know betrayal, I know cold nights, I know praying hard with tears in my eyes, I know being hungry and still saying I'm fine. Trying to survive in the misunderstood neighborhoods, yeah. Friends, I don't trust that word like before. Too many hands knock when you open the door. Some people clap just to study your fall. Some call you sister but don't wish you well at all. I've learned real quick, love got a price. Smiles can lie and hearts turned ice. I trusted friends, they switched so fast. Now I move careful to protect my path. They never saw the nights I almost gave in. The silent wars I had to fight to win. Every scar got a lesson attached. Every closed door taught me not to turn back. Now I walk with confidence, I talk with pride. I survived every tear I cried. If I grow now, understand this truth. I built this woman from a broken root. I've been through enough, I only grew tougher. Fought through the storm, now I shine better. From nothing to something, I carried my shame. Danced in the storm, I've learned to love the rain. I've been through enough, I won't break easy. People say they love you, then leave so easy. I know what it feels like to stand alone. Now I build my peace to protect my humanity. They said I was destined for dust, a shadow with no tomorrow. Their words bruise my spirit and deflate my ego. Yet I refuse to bow to sorrow. I came from ruins and wreckage, where hope was thin as air. Still I whisper to my soul, you were born to repair. I planted courage in my heartbeat. I dressed my fears in chains. Every scar became a scripture. Every loss became my gain. I confused the enemy, I victory lives in me. I confuse the enemy. I confuse the enemy. I speak peace over my life, and I become who I believe. I was just a girl searching, trying to outrun fear. The road was fierce and jagged, but faith was waiting there. I never stopped believing. I never stopped the fight. I fought through every tempest, and now my stars align. I do not echo their judgment. I do not wear their shame. I pronounce light upon my future and rise beyond their names. I confuse the enemy. I confuse the enemy. They thought I would surrender, but victory lives in me. I confuse the enemy. I confuse the enemy. I speak peace over my life, and I become who I believe. Yeah. Speak peace until you overcome. Speak hope until the dark is dull. Do not give in